What's up, guys? My name is Miles. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be for you if you ride a motorcycle and you wear a book bag and you want a solution for the book bag, which can be exhausting on your shoulders, and it's nicer to not have anything on your back when you're riding. You know this, I know this. This is the Kuryakyn Momentum Deadbeat Duffle bag. And granted that you do have to have a sissy bar on your bike to put this on it, it is a good solution to, not having to get saddlebags or a swing arm bag or anything like that. I'm gonna unbox this. We're gonna take a look at it, see how it fits on the bike, and that's gonna be it. So like I said, you do have to have a sissy bar and a 2-up seat. Well, you don't want to mount this just like right on your fender or you can scratch it. I mean, if you got an older bike, an older Sportster or whatever, and you don't care, then well, go ahead. But yeah, I think you need a sissy bar and a 2-up seat to make this work. You can probably find this bag on eBay for around $89, I believe. I did get it through my job, but it would have been close to the same price if I got it off eBay. Right on. This is nice. So it looks like it also includes a shoulder strap, quick mount sissy bar straps, a full mounting strap kit, and a rain cover. That is awesome. Don't come after me, dog. I'm strapped. Let's figure out which one is which. There's a pocket for the rain cover. Oh, that's cool. You guys, frankly, there are too many straps, and I'm confused here. There are so many possibilities to where you could attach these straps. Features quick mount sissy bar straps. I think maybe the straps for the sissy bar are already on the bag. That's what I'm starting to think. So I'm going to try to install it on the bike without adding any extra straps. So that is my conclusion. And it's not going anywhere because the center is locked into place here. So yeah, that's cool. Something else this will allow me to do is that when I fill it up, if I fill it up and stuff it, I could actually use it as a rider backrest almost as well. There are a lot of pockets. Yeah, pockets inside a pocket. I'm just gonna start to put some stuff in here. It's gonna be good for holding tools, going to the grocery store. Put all the straps inside here. Nice little front pocket for your wallet, your gloves. So if you got a sissy bar on your bike, then you have the possibility of getting a duffel bag like this, and I am extremely happy with it. So If you haven't already, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching my content. I put out content pretty frequently. And I'll see you guys in the next video.